Welcome to this explainer of the Bowflex T10 Treadmill. Today we're cutting straight through the shiny marketing hype to give you a really practical, totally realistic breakdown of what owning this machine actually entails. Think of today's session as your ultimate buyer's masterclass. We're going to scrutinize the fine print, the specs, and the real-world logistics so you don't accidentally make a very expensive mistake. By the end of this deep dive, you're going to know exactly if this treadmill is your absolute perfect fitness partner or, honestly, a massive burden. But before you drop some serious cash, we have to ask the ultimate litmus test question. This is what's going to determine if this feature-packed machine truly fits your lifestyle and, frankly, your floor plan. And that question is a premium screen really worth a massive physical footprint? You know, it's just so easy to get caught up in the excitement of shiny new tech, but asking this question right off the bat grounds us in reality. All right, here is our roadmap for today's masterclass. We are going to cover 1, the premium promise versus reality, 2, the hardware, 3, the subscription software catch, 4, hidden logistics and risks, and 5, the final buyer verdict. Okay, section 1, premium promise versus reality. Let's look at the gap between the online brochure and your actual living room. So, on paper, this thing looks like the ultimate premium all-in-one home treadmill. The glossy brochure shows a smiling runner just effortlessly gliding away on this high-tech connected fitness hub. But the reality? Well, the reality involves an enormous physical footprint and some hidden subscription dependencies that you absolutely need to understand before buying. A really common mistake I see learners and buyers make is assuming a modern home treadmill is just going to blend seamlessly into the corner of their bedroom. In reality, for example, the T10 is a 323-pound absolute giant measuring roughly 85 inches long. If you don't actually account for that sheer volume, it is going to completely dominate your living space. So to quickly recap section 1, the Bowflex T10 is a massive commercial-style machine that demands a dedicated space. It is definitely not a casual, tuck-away walking pad.
Moving right along to section 2, hardware. Let's look under the hood of this heavyweight contender. Looking at the actual physical anatomy of the machine, it becomes super clear that this was built for uncompromising stability, not portability. The T10 boasts a really generous 22 by 60-inch running path, and it comes equipped with Bowflex's Comfort Tech cushioning. Let me give you a practical example of why that specific detail matters. Say you're a taller runner, or you just love pushing your top speeds during intense interval sprints. A standard, narrower deck can actually make you feel kind of boxed in, forcing you to unnaturally shorten your stride. But this generous 60-inch length, it gives you plenty of room to really stretch out for long strides, and the cushioning seriously reduces that harsh, pavement-level impact on your joints. But there's a flip side. With that sturdy build comes staggering weight. Coming in at around 323 pounds, this folding treadmill is absolutely not meant to be casually dragged from room to room. A very common mistake consumers make here is seeing the word folding and instantly equating that with portable. Don't fall for that. Yes, it features a soft drop folding system to save a bit of floor space when you aren't using it, but you are literally not going to be rolling a 323-pound machine out of a closet every morning. It's just not happening. It needs a permanent, dedicated home. However, that massive weight provides a beautifully planted, super stable feel that supports an impressive 400-pound maximum user capacity. It features a robust motor hitting a 12-mile-per-hour top speed, and this is a cool part, it handles a rather rare negative 5% decline up to a steep 15% incline. That decline feature is absolutely fantastic if you're wanting to simulate natural downhill terrain to train different muscle groups. So here is your quick recap for section 2. The Bowflex T10 trades lightweight portability for rock-solid stability, giving you a commercial-sized running deck and powerful incline features meant for intense, high-impact workouts. Let's dive into section 3, the subscription software catch. This completely changes the value proposition of the treadmill. The entire T10 experience centers around its 10-inch HD touchscreen, which is specifically engineered to access Bowflex's JRNY platform. By definition, JRNY is their connected fitness ecosystem. It's the software that unlocks scenic routes, guided adaptive workouts, and all your streaming entertainment access. For example, with a JRNY subscription, you could be running through a stunning virtual course in the Swiss Alps, and the treadmill will automatically adjust your physical incline to match the terrain you're seeing on the screen. It is incredibly engaging and a really fun way to train. But, and this is a big but, this brings us to the ultimate catch. Look at this value equation. With an active monthly JRNY subscription, the 10 is a premium, top-tier cardio entertainment hub. But without JRNY,
you're literally left paying for a 10-inch screen that you aren't really fully using. A huge mistake buyers make is blowing their entire fitness budget on the hardware itself, completely forgetting to factor in the ongoing monthly cost of that software. Think about it. If you mostly plan to just hit quick start in manual mode while watching the TV mounted on your wall, you are vastly overpaying for technology you simply don't need. So, a quick one-sentence recap for Section 3. To truly unlock the value of the T10's built-in screen, you must be fully prepared to pay for an ongoing monthly JRNY subscription.
All right, let's jump into Section 4, Hidden Logistics and Risks. Getting this thing fully functional in your home is half the battle. You have to plan for some somewhat daunting logistics before you even think about hitting that checkout button. Step 1, checking your ceiling height. As an example, let's say you're 6 feet tall. If the treadmill lifts you up during a steep 15% incline workout, you can literally bump your head if you're in a low-ceiling basement. The general guidance here is to take your height and add around 21 inches of clearance. Steps 2 and 3 involve the delivery and setup phase. A very common mistake here is expecting this standard delivery driver to kindly carry this upstairs to your spare room. That's not happening. Standard delivery is almost always a curbside drop-off of a massive box weighing well over 300 pounds. You will absolutely need at least 2 highly capable adults or just hire professional assembly to get this safely set up. And step 4 is absolutely crucial. We have to talk about the warranty caveat. Due to some recent business and ownership changes at Bowflex, you absolutely must verify the current warranty terms in writing with your specific seller. Historically, the spec sheet was great, listing 15 years on the frame and motor, 5 years on mechanical parts, and 1 year on electronics. But corporate realities change, right? So our quick recap for Section 4 is basically a strict rule. Do not buy this machine until you have meticulously measured your room dimensions, secured a solid plan to move a 300-pound box, and verified your warranty coverage in writing. Which brings us to our 5th and final section, the final buyer verdict. Let's figure out exactly who this machine is built for. Take a look at this buyer diagnostic flowchart. If you've got a dedicated gym space, high ceilings, and you actively crave guided touchscreen entertainment to keep you motivated, then congratulations, you are the ideal buyer. If you can find this on a steep discount, you're going to maximize its features and absolutely love it. But if you're someone who despises monthly fees, or maybe you live in a tight apartment and really just want to walk slowly while taking a Zoom call, the T10 is either a complete mismatch or just total overkill. You would definitely be an overbuyer in that scenario. And if you're sitting there realizing you might be a mismatch, check out this competitor matrix. If you're more of a hardware purist who wants to avoid high subscription dependencies entirely, market alternatives like the Soul F80 or the Horizon 7.48T are likely going to be a much better fit for you. They offer fantastic raw durability and quick dial interval training without locking you into a paid software ecosystem. On the flip side, if you love the idea of connected fitness, but maybe you just prefer the iFit ecosystem, then the Nordic Trek 1750 is the direct head-to-head rival to the Bowflex T10. Quick recap of Section 5. The T10 shines for space-rich users who love interactive entertainment, but pure hardware fans should probably look at alternatives. So, to wrap up this masterclass, before you make this high-ticket purchase, you must answer one final question. Do you truly need a built-in entertainment screen, or would you be much happier bringing your own tablet to a simpler, heavy-duty machine? Let's do a final summary with 5 quick revision questions. Treat this as your ultimate checkout checklist. Question 1. Are you prepared for a massive 323-pound footprint? Question 2. Do you actually have the ceiling clearance for a 15% incline lift? Question 3. Are you fully willing to pay a monthly subscription fee for JRNY? Question 4. Have you arranged heavy-duty delivery assistance? And question 5, did you verify the current warranty terms in writing? If you can confidently answer yes to those 5 questions, you are ready to make a brilliant purchase. So, looking around your own living space right now, are you ready